नवंबर 2025 का करंट अफेयर्स करा रही हूँ, वन लाइनर। अभी इंडिया ने मेडिसिन डायग्नोस्टिक किट्स 1 नवंबर को कहाँ भेजा था? फाइट अगेंस्ट वेक्टर बॉर्न डिजीज मलेरिया, डेंगू एंड लेसीमिया अफगानिस्तान में भेजा था। विच कंट्री कमेंस्ड इट्स 42nd अंटार्कटिक एक्सपीडिशन ऑन नवंबर to begin subglacial lake drilling for the first time? China. Under what name did ISRO launch the country's heaviest communications satellite from Sriharikota using LVM-3M5 rocket Bahubali CMS-03? 2 नवंबर को भेजा था। Which state government introduced Pink Saheli card on November? Delhi. Offering free bus travel for women and transgender. Major funding initiative was launched by PM Narendra Modi at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi during ESITC 2025 on November 2. 1 lakh crore RDI scheme funds. Which country launched a new nuclear submarine named Khabarovsk? Russia. New nuclear submarine. New nuclear submarine. Which country's Janice Tess clinched inaugural Chennai Open 2025 women's single title? Indonesia. Host country India defeated which country by 52 runs to win ODI Women's ODI World Cup 2025 titles? South Africa. Foreign Minister of which country Abdulatif bin Rashid Al Jiani visit India? Bahrain. Who introduced its first cultural benchmark India QA November 3 to evaluate understanding of AI models in Indian language? OpenAI. कौन किया है India QA? OpenAI. Which country provided the Patriot air defense system to Ukraine on November 3 to defend against Russia attack? Germany. Which country became the world's first nation to enforce a ban on smoking? November 3. Maldives. On November 3, 2025, India provided 25,000 in assistance to which country for community development project? Dominica. President of which country Samia Suluhu Hussein was sworn in for the second term? Tanzania. Which institution developed India's first vertical takeoff and landing technology for controlled soft landing utilizing a hybrid rocket? कौन किया है? IIT Madras. The former vice president of which country Dick Cheney passed away? वाइस प्रेसिडेंट था डिक चेनी। कहाँ का था? अमेरिका, USA का। Which country company became the 6th Indian company and the first Indian bank to surpass $100 billion market capitalizations mark on November 4? SBI. Which company was ranked as the world's #1 cooperative bank based on GDP per capita by ICA World Cooperative Monitors 2025? World's #1 cooperative company कौन? अमूल. Which spiritual leader was honored with World Leader of Peace and Security Award 2025 for his outstanding contributions to peace and security on November 4? Sri Ravi Shankar. Whom did the Haryana State Women's Commission appoint as brand ambassador of the year 2026? Shefali Verma. To which country did India dispatch a consignment of rabies vaccine? Timor-Leste. Who was Gopi Chand P. Hinduja, who passed away on November 4? An Indian-British industrialist. Under what name PM Narendra Modi launched India's first indigenous cell therapy for leukemia and lymphoma? Next 19. Under what name did Google Alphabets launch 7th generation AI chip? Ironwood. Who became the first woman of Indian origin to elect as a lieutenant governor of Virginia, USA. Ghazala Hasmi. According to Hurun Indian Philanthropist List 2025, who is the India's most generous woman philanthropist? Rohini Nilekani, who was honored with the Manohar Parikar Young Scientist Award. Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishna. Which state became the first Indian state to partner with Elon Musk Starlink to provide satellite-based internet to remote underprivileged area? Maharashtra. The Karnataka State Law University conferred an honorary doctorate upon Governor of State S. Abdul Nazir. Andhra Pradesh. Who became the first Muslim mayor of Indian origin in New York? Johar Madmanvi. Madanj. The Telangana government announced establishment artificial intelligence innovation hub in which city? Hyderabad. Which country successfully tested Mutaman 3 international ballistic missile on November? America. Who was appointed as a brand ambassador of Ford fertilizer manufacturer Pradeep Phosphate Limited? Rahul Dravid. Who is the Indian Navy first mayor survey website that was commenced at the naval base Kochi on 6 November to mark the 50th anniversary of which leading Indian hydropower company? NHPC. Which word did Collins Dictionary declare as the word of the year 2025? Vibe. Who became the first para archer to secure a spot on mainstream Indian team on November? Seetal Devi. By which year has European Union set a target to achieve 90% reduction in a net greenhouse emission year 2040? Which country declared a state emergency on November 6? Philippines. Due to Typhoon Kalamaigi. Which Indian actress known for her dual contribution as a playback singer and actress passed away in Mumbai? Sulakshana Pandit. Which American molecular biologist recipient of Nobel Prize in Medicine 1962 passed away in November? James D. Watson. November 6, International Day of Preventing and Exploitation of Environment in War and Armed Conflict. November 7, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the nationwide commemorations 150th anniversary of national song Bande Mataram and released a postage stamp of coin. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who composed Bande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which country commissions its third and most advanced aircraft carrier Fujian into its navy on November? China. Who became the India's 91st Grandmaster by winning 6th Asian Individual Chess Championship on November 7? Rahul V.S. Chennai. Where did Union Minister Dr. Mukesh Mandviya inaugurated the centenary celebration marking 100 years of Indian hockey? Major Dhyan Chand International Stadium, Delhi. Where was the 49th Wangala Festival? Meghalaya. Who secured top spot in latest ICIC Men's 20 betting ranking? Abhishek Sharma. What was the theme for National Career Awareness? United by Unique. Where was the 7th Indian Manufacturing Show from November 6 to 8 showcase India's manufacturing capabilities in aerospace and defense engineering sector, Bengaluru. On November 8, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 4 new Vande Mataram trains from Varanasi. With this, what is the total number of Vande Bharat service operating across India? 164. Which country joined Brazil-led Tropical Forest Finance Facility, India? The tracker dog Babita of which force was honored with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Valor Award, BSF? Which Indian was selected for the astronaut training program by Titans Space Industries based in Florida, USA? Kunchala Kevalya Reddy. Which state government launched school web app? Delhi. World Radiography Day celebrated on 8 November to revolutionary discovery of X-ray. Which Indian paramilitary force unveiled Durga drone syndrome? Drone Operating Unit consisting of female personnel BSF, who won the women's single title Telangana India International Mansi Singh. What anniversary of its formation did Uttarakhand celebrated on 9th November 25th? Which day was celebrated on 9th November National Legal Service Day? At which institution was India's Sri Lanka Cultural Festival inaugurated on 10th November? University of Colombo. Which state approved the prohibition of polygamy bill 2025? Assam. Which state was declared by the International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN as India's natural World Heritage Site with a good rating on November 10th? Kaziranga National Park, Sikkim. Which state was awarded the hosting rights for United Nations Climate Change Conference COP32 in 2027? अदीस अब्बा इथोपिया. COP32 2027 में कहाँ पे होगा? अदीस अब्बा इथोपिया. Which city on Urban Mobility India 2025 award in Public Transport Systems City category? Chennai. Who was elected as the first female Secretary General of United Nations World Tourism Organization? Sheikha Al Nowis, UAE की है. Who created a record on November 10 by hitting 8 consecutive sixes and scoring half century in 11 ball? Akash Kumar Chaudhary. The Hanimado International Airport, constructed with assistance from India, was inaugurated in which country? Maldives. कहाँ पे है? Hanimado International Airport, Maldives. Who became the first Indian to win individual air pistol world title by securing gold medal in men's 10-meter air pistol event? ISSF. Samrat Rana. Who became the first Indian individual pistol shooter to win a silver medal in men's 25-meter rapid fire pistol event? ISSF वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप कैरो इजिप्ट. कहाँ पे हुआ था? कैरो इजिप्ट में हुआ था. अनीश बनवाला. Which famous folk poet who penned the Telangana state song Jai 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 He Telangana passed away on Andesiri? World Science Day 2025 celebrated on 10th November with the theme Trust Transformation Tomorrow and the Science We Need 2025. 2050. In which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Puntsachu hydroelectric project on 11th November? Bhutan. Who inaugurated India's largest and first 3 megawatt-hour vanadium redox flow battery system on 11th November? Manohar Lal Khattar, Ministry of Power and Housing, Urban Affairs. Hungarian origin British author David Sajle was awarded the Booker's Prize 2025. Booker's Prize 2025 for which novel on 11th? Flash. कौन सा नॉवेल है? क्या मिला है? बुकर प्राइज मिला है 2025 डेविस स्लेजले को फ्लैश के लिए. इंडियन आर्म फोर्स सक्सेसफुली कंडक्टेड द कंट्रीज लार्जेस्ट ट्राई सर्विस एक्सरसाइज ऑपरेशन त्रिशूल. कहाँ पे हुआ है? थार राजस्थान में, डेजर्ट. द स्टेट वॉज इलेक्टेड बेस्ट स्टेट इन द कंट्री 6th नेशनल वाटर अवार्ड promoting better water management and creating awareness about water conservation. Maharashtra. What is India's rank in Global Climate Risk Index 2025 released by environmental think tank Greenwatch on 11th? India's rank क्या है? Global Climate Risk Index में 15th rank है. Which playback singer was honored by Guinness World Record 2025 for supporting cardiac surgery over 3,800 underprivileged children? Palak Muchal. Which state government announced India's first Women Wellness on Wheels initiative to provide mobile cancer screening service for women? Tamil Nadu. Which nation was elected as member of UNESCO Man and Biosphere Council at 43rd UNESCO General Conference in Samarkand, Uzbekistan? Oman. Who became India's first female racer to win national karting championship title at the age of 9? R.C. Gupta. In whose honor the National Education Celebration Day celebration on November. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, India's first education minister. Which state became the first in the country to implement the revised BharatNet scheme? BharatNet scheme, Punjab. Who was the sixth G7 foreign minister meeting held? Where was the G7 foreign minister? Ontario, Canada. India and Botswana announced a plan to transfer how many cheetahs from a different nation during President Draupadi Murmu 8. Which Indian Institute of Technology launched India's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope? IIT Bombay. Quantum diamond microscope, IIT Bombay. Who was honored with the Infosys Prize 2025 in the Life Science category for pioneering contribution to the process of genome maintenance and repair? Anjana Badri Narayan. Which scared Buddhist ceremony did Prime Minister Narendra Modi attend during visit of Bhutan? Kala Chakra, Wheel of Times, Kal Chakra. According to the WHO Global TB Report 2025, according to the WHO's Global TB Report 2025, released on 12th November, what was the percentage of decline recorded in tuberculosis cases in India? 21%. Which air base in eastern Ladakh, situated near China border, did India reactivate on 12th November? Nyoma. Was the theme for World's Pneumonia Day, observed on 12th November? Child survival. वर्ल्ड निमोनिया डे का थीम्स क्या था? चाइल्ड सर्वाइवल. विच टू अफ्रीकन नेशंस डिड प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू विजिट ऑन हर फर्स्ट स्टेट विजिट फ्रॉम नवंबर? इतना अंगोला एंड बोट्सवाना. वेयर वाज द बालीज यात्रा महोत्सव? ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फ्रॉम 5 नवंबर to 13th, कुतक, उड़ीसा. On November 13, two traditional music instruments from which state, Guntak and Pumthang Pulit, were granted the GI tag? Sikkim. The Supreme Court on November 13 directed which state to notify the Sardana Forest as a wildlife sanctuary? Sardana Forest area as a wildlife sanctuary, Jharkhand. Which aerospace company provided the human-rated Vikas engine to ISRO for the Gaganyaan mission? Godrej. Which two beaches of in Odisha received prestigious Blue Flag for the year 2025-26? Sunapur and Puri. Who was awarded Bal Sahitya Puruskar for Hindi language? Bal Sahitya Puruskar for Hindi language, Sushil Shukla. The book Ek Baatein 12. In Bihar Legislative Assembly election result declared on 14th November, how many seats out of 243 did National Democratic Alliance win? 202. Grand Alliance 2035. For which story was Sushil Shukla awarded Sahitya Academy Bal Sahitya Puruskar? Ek Baat 12. Who has developed next generation man portable AUV autonomous underwater vehicle to detect underwater mines as of DRDO? Which veteran actress, one of the most revered name for golden era Indian cinema, Kamini Kaushal? Padma Shri award Salu Marda Thimakka passed away at the age of environmentalist. Who was the theme for the World Diabetes? What was the theme for World Diabetes Day on observed कब होता है diabetes है 14th November? Diabetes is a various stage of life. In the various stage of life. Where was the National Travel Festival Carnival organized? Imphal. 150th birth anniversary of which great travel freedom fighter was celebrated on 15th? Birsa Munda. According to the Time Out survey, which city is topped in the list of Asia happiest city? Mumbai. Which Indian naval ship participated in the annual military exercise Malabar 2025 in Guam, USA? कहाँ पे हुआ था मालावा? Guam, USA में हुआ था. with participants of Quad countries INS Sayadri. Quad में इंडिया, अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड जापान. अंडर what theme of United Nations Climate Conference COP30 ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बेलेम ब्राज़ील. COP30 बेलेम ब्राज़ील में हुआ था. Implementation, Inclusion and Innovation. Where was G20 Summit 2025 held from 22-23 November, Johannesburg, South Africa. Where was 11th Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti between India and Sri Lanka. Mitra Shakti India and Sri Lanka, Balagvi, Karnataka. Who assumed office in the 53rd Chief Justice of India, November? Justice Suryakant Sharma. 53rd Chief Justice कौन है? सूर्यकांत शर्मा. किसको सक्सीड किया है? बी आर गवई को. बिटवीन विच टू नेशंस वॉज द बाइनियल एयर एक्सरसाइज गरुड़ा 2025, इंडिया एंड फ्रांस. विच नेशंस वॉज द कंट्री इन फोकस एट 56 नेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल हेल्ड इन गोवा, जापान. विच सुपरस्टार वॉज ऑनर्ड एट 56 इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल इंडिया 2025 commemorate the completion of 50 years of its illustration cinematic journey, रजनीकांत. Where was the 6th Indian-Vietnam military exercise WIMVAX held? Hanoi. Which city was recently become the world's first vegetarian city? Palitana, Gujarat. As of November 2025, what is the total official gold reserve in India? Metric tons. 880 metric tons. For the first time, Government of India has invited top leader of which international organization as a chief guest for the Republic Day celebration 2026 में किसको बुलाया गया है? उर्सुला वन दे लेयन, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूरोपियन कमीशन, एंड एंटोनियो कोस्टा, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूरोपियन काउंसिल. विच स्टेट कमर्शियल इम्पोजिशन ऑफ ग्रीन टैक्स एनवायरमेंटल सेस व्हीकल्स एंटरिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द स्टेट? उत्तराखंड. Which country launched a nationwide Walk to Mars campaign on the occasion of 54th Foundation Day? UAE.